Hi, this is Tim, and today I'm going to show you how to get clients on LinkedIn. What's really important when you want to get new business on LinkedIn is that you have to be more approachable. And for that, I'm going to share 4 tips today that will help you turn your LinkedIn profile into a client magnet. First tip is you should add a video welcome message to your LinkedIn profile. To do that, you have to go to the mobile app and then you have to locate your profile. And on your profile picture, there is a little plus icon that allows you to upload or record a video. Use that video and record a short message, introduce yourself, who you are, what you're doing, and point out the audience of your ideal customers that should reach out to you and give them a context, a frame when they should do that. So that could, for example, be a specific problem that you're helping a specific group of potential customers achieve a certain solution. Upload this video on your profile and then people on mobile and on desktop can just click on your profile picture and they will see this short video. This is incredibly powerful to build a strong relationship and to give people a better understanding who you are just by seeing yourself moving, talking, speaking. They can hear your voice, they can see how your face is moving. It's much easier to build a relationship with a video than with a picture. This brings us to tip number 2, invest into a professional headshot picture. Before someone is able to see your video, they will first always see your profile picture. And that is one of the most important factors that makes people either click on your profile or not. So this picture has to be really good. So then as a second step, someone can watch your video. And a lot of people just take a selfie at home, which really looks horrible. Just do yourself a favor, invest in a professional photographer and take at least 10-20 pictures so you can find one which really communicates the essence of who you are, which really shows that you're a friendly, approachable person who has the best interest of your potential customers in mind. Tip number 3 is a fun one. Why not add an emoji to your headline? An emoji can convey a lot of emotions without the need to write a lot of text. It can also simultaneously demonstrate that you are friendly and approachable and that you are not taking yourself too serious. This is always great because a lot of people have hesitation reaching out to someone because they're so intimidated by the qualification, especially people who are experts in their field. So you might miss out on a lot of client inquiries because they just don't dare to send you a message. But if you're putting an emoji in your headline, it's much more easy. People see, hey, this seems to be like a fun person. They don't seem to take themselves too seriously. Maybe I can send them a message. Maybe I'm not going to get shut down when I'm writing something. So this is a really good tip. Add an emoji to your LinkedIn headline. And tip number 4 is include a welcoming call to action in your LinkedIn headline. This can be something where you're telling people, reach out if you have this and this challenge, or I help, and then you can insert the name of your ideal audience to resolve this or to achieve a certain goal. And this really makes it clear that you want to be contacted about something and you're clearly communicating who should contact you regarding what. So it's really easy if you want to attract a certain type of clients. It makes it super easy for them to self-identify and self-qualify to say, hey, this is me. He or she is asking me to reach out about exactly that situation, so they feel really at ease when they're sending you the message because they know you asked for it. You asked to be contacted about this specific issue. So it's really, really great way to be more approachable. Now, if you implement those 4 tips, you will notice that the amount of client inquiries that you're getting will dramatically increase, especially if you are starting to use content marketing, that you're posting content, valuable tips on LinkedIn. And if you want to learn more about how to develop a LinkedIn content strategy, you can also check out my LinkedIn Leads Bootcamp. I'm going to put a link down in the description. Also, make sure that you download my free LinkedIn hashtag guide, which shows you which hashtags you should pick if you want to reach the most amount of ideal clients on LinkedIn organically for free. If you want to get more videos about LinkedIn, make sure that you hit the subscribe button, turn notifications on, and smash like if you enjoyed this video. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.